Here's Jesse again. We already learned what utensils are and how to decide which ones we need. Now, let's learn how to make a delicious breakfast. A bowl of cereal. It's great to be able to fix yourself a quick meal, but always make sure you have permission before making yourself anything in the kitchen. Let's look at the steps to take when making a bowl of cereal. First, gather the ingredients and utensils. Ingredients are the food items we need to make a meal. What ingredients do you think we need? Cereal and milk. Utensils are the tools or dishes we need. What utensils do you think we need? A bowl and a spoon. Next, pour the cereal into the bowl. Not too much. Don't fill it all the way to the top. Then, pour the milk into the cereal. Jesse has a jug with a cap to unscrew, but milk also comes in cartons that fold open at the top. Try not to spill any of the milk. If you do, no worries. You can clean it up with a towel or a napkin. Finally, enjoy your cereal. Yum! Don't forget to clean up your bowl and spoon. Also, make sure you put away the milk and cereal. Keep the rest of the cereal fresh by rolling down the bag and closing the box. You need to close up your milk also before you put it back in the fridge. Let's go through the steps once more for review. First, gather the ingredients and utensils. Next, pour the cereal into the bowl. Then, pour the milk on the cereal. Finally, enjoy your cereal. Well, Jesse had a nice breakfast, and he did it all by himself. He earned his Super Cereal Breakfast Badge. You can earn your badge and have a nice breakfast for yourself, too. See you later.
Hey, hey.